farmers from Uganda will be at the National Ploughing Championships as part of a fact-finding mission. The delegation of 22 people, led by their country's agriculture, animal, and fisheries minister Vincent Simpija, hope to learn from Irish farmers how they have managed growth and development. But they are also looking for Irish farmers who may be interested in partnering with them in diverse areas of agribusiness: dairy farming, mushroom, pumpkin, and vegetable growing and poultry, as well as the agribusiness technology sector, are their areas of interest. The farmers from Uganda, where over 80% of the population is engaged in agriculture, will also visit different agribusinesses in Ireland. The National Ploughing Association says it is delighted that two farmers, Julius Idiakrit and Solomon Ajak from the Male Viva Group in eastern Uganda, whom it funded to attend the prestigious Baraka Agricultural College in Kenya, have thrived in the experience and excelled in their studies. On completion of THEIR's 16-month course in sustainable agriculture and rural development, the farmers returned home to work the land and are now using their new knowledge to help their local community. NPA Managing Director Anna May McHugh said the students received €5,000, which covered their academic course fees, accommodation, food and travel. This is an incredibly worthwhile cause and one very close to the NPA's core ploughing and sustainable farming values. Both of the students, Julius and Solomon, are very impressive, and since they graduated from the course they are now empowered with new knowledge and expert techniques to assist themselves and their neighbors, she said. Irish Examiner Limited. All rights reserved.